What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another SHEIN haul. Today we'll be doing a SHEIN shoes haul for you guys. This is Pelage siblings product reviews. Joachim is holding the camera. I'm gonna start off by showing you guys all of the goodies that I got for you. First off, we're gonna start off with these beautiful braided or plaited sandals, which I got for myself in a size 7. It's 1-2 as well. I really love this, and it's anti-slip. The material is wonderful. I love those shoes so much I couldn't resist but to get those mini ones for my beautiful daughter. She's like a size 5.8 inch. Next up, we got those beautiful 1-toe slippers with the buckles, the strap 1-toe. This is really comfortable. I wore this for my birthday this year, and you can wear this to the beach, to shopping with your girls. I got this one in a size 6 actually. My size depends and varies on the style and the make of the shoes. And lastly, I got those beautiful clear strap pumps with the bedazzles on it. I got this one in a size 7, you guys. I'm in love with this. I've worn this like about 3 to 4 times and it never gets old. Okay, so I'm gonna move along and try on the shoes for you guys. Don't forget that the link to all of the shoes mentioned will be in the description down below. So as promised, I'm gonna go ahead and try on the shoes right now for you guys. We're gonna start off with the braided sandals. I really love this shoe, you guys. It's really comfortable, and I think it's also anti-slip. It has those grip so you won't fall if you're walking. Okay, here are the strappy sandals. They're really cute. Don't forget, everything used in this video was purchased with my own money. This video wasn't sponsored by SHEIN in any way. Okay, next up, we're gonna try the 1-toe slippers with the buckle. Don't forget, this one is in a size 6. This is awesome as well. This is really great. And lastly, we're gonna try on the clear strap pumps with the bedazzles on it. I got this one in a size 7. This is really cute. You can get this for the holidays, to go to your family parties, your staff parties, your dinners. This is really professional. I've worn this shoe like over 3 times and it doesn't get old. I really love it. Take a look at the back of it as well. Don't forget, if you like this video and you would like to see many more videos like this on the channel, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, leave your comments down below, hit the notification bell. Keep on watching.